The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 12. Benefits derived from seeing and hearing. The Buddha told the contemplator of the world sounds Bodhisattva, Earth Store Bodhisattva has great affinities with beings in Jambudvipa. Hundreds of thousands of eons would not be time enough to describe the benefits derived by beings who see this Bodhisattva and hear his name. Therefore, contemplator of the world sounds Bodhisattva, you should use your spiritual powers to propagate this sutra, thus enabling beings in the Saha world to receive peace and happiness always, throughout hundreds of thousands of eons. At that time, the world-honored one spoke verses saying, I observed that Earth Store's awesome spiritual strength could not be fully described even in Ganges sands eons. Seeing, hearing, beholding, and bowing to him even once benefits people and gods in endless numbers of ways. Men and women, gods or dragons, who are near the end of their rewards and on the verge of falling into evil paths, can, by sincerely taking refuge with this great being, have their lifespans lengthened, their offenses dissolved. Sometimes youngsters lose their kind and loving parents and do not know what paths they took. Quite often lost brothers, sisters, and other kin were never known by their surviving relatives. If such people sculpt or paint this Bodhisattva's image, and then beseech, behold, and bow to him intently, and if they hold his name in mind a full 3 weeks, the Bodhisattva may display a boundless body. He may reveal the realms where relatives were born, and even quickly free those in bad destinies. If those praying can sustain their initial resolve, he may rub their heads and predict their sagehood. Since those determined to cultivate unsurpassed Bodhi and escape the suffering here in the triple world have already discovered their great compassionate hearts, they should first behold and bow to this great being. Then every vow they make will soon be fulfilled, and no karmic obstructions will ever hinder or stop them. Some people may resolve to read the sutra texts, hoping to help those confused to reach the other shore. Although the vows they make are quite remarkable, try as they may, they cannot remember what they read. Because of their karmic obstructions and delusions, these people cannot memorize the Mahāyāna sutras, but they can offer scents and flowers to Earth Store. They can give him clothing, food, and other things they like.